Going to do the Raptor liner in a few. As you can see, seam sealed, primered. Some of the seam seal is under the primer, but then I masked it. I can spray it. It's about close to 9:30 in the morning. I get busy on it before the wind picks up, because that's just what it does. And then over in the front here, where I did the Rust-Oleum, and then I just scuffed that up, and I went ahead and wiped everything down in there and vacuumed real good. I've blown the inside out several times before. This time I just went ahead and vacuumed, so I know where the dust is going. It's not sitting in there. So, yeah. Alright, so I got the bottom finished with the Raptor liner. I went ahead and put cardboard down to kind of slide on, but it got pretty messy, so it did kind of protect the cement down there. But yeah, it's kind of hard to see it, maybe because it's black. Well, I mean, it's dark, but yep, just back in here. Yeah, these spots are fun to get, these little nooks and crannies, because if you tilt the bottle too far, it drips. There's a hole on top of the spray gun, and it will drip on you. Found that out, so just got to be careful. Yeah, other than that, I got 3 bottles on this area, and I did a coat, waited 60 minutes or so-ish, and then did the second coat. And then what I did here around this area, I went ahead and got a brush. I brushed some there, and then around the wheel well, the lip of the wheel well. It's kind of hard to see, but anyway, all the way around on the inside. I got a paintbrush, put some in a cup and just did that on both sides. So like I said, 3 bottles at 40 psi. So of course so I only got 1 bottle left, so I'm gonna have to at least 1 more for the top area here. I might just end up ordering 2 more bottles of the black so I can get here and roof. Get all in there. Okay. Cover the spots. When I was shooting up, it wouldn't go flying up, so I covered the holes. And then I had paper along the edge here, and then along here I had paper all along there, so I'm spraying out. It just, of course, it's the paper, newspaper. So it's compressor. It's what I used. Worked good. 40 psi. Nozzle. I already sprayed it. Sprayed some thinner through there. I just have to clean it up a little bit more. But yeah, with Amazon, I got it from, it came with this air pressure gauge, so that's cool. So I just did it at 40. And that's about it. Cleaning that up, and oh yeah, some lights. I had 2 lights. I started at 8:30 this morning. It's kind of dark, but even with it being sunny out, it's still good with the light. Some of the areas you gotta look close. So make sure you clean the gun out after you use it, and then after your first coat, you're supposed to wait 60 minutes. That's what they recommend, 60 minutes for it to dry, flash. So in the meantime, while you're waiting for the 60 minutes, go ahead and clean your gun out really well. So I wiped it down with mineral spirits. Okay, take it like that. First I'll go ahead and I'll just put it in a container or something like this of some thinner, maybe even a cup of thinner or something, and just spray it to clean it out. And I take it apart and clean it. Then I'll dip some, I got this, it's for an engine block, for oil gallery cleaning or something, you know. So luckily that's just the perfect size. And then I'll do that, some thinner like that. I'll clean it best I can, then I'll bring it and spray again. Spray some of the, I was using some thinner. Or use mineral spirits, I got both. Spray it really good. Take it and then just clean in here with this out. Just clean in there the best you can. Alright, so I got the Raptor done. Bedliner, as you can tell. And now I gotta take off all the, that'll be easy. Take off the tape, the paper, stuff like that. I ended up using 3 bottles. So as I said before, I used 3 on the bottom and then 3 on the top here, inside. Then over here, wheel well area. Yeah. So taped it off right there. Yep, so I got these couple coats. 2. I started out with a light coat and then I did like 2 more. So the first one was really light because I had the Rust-Oleum behind there. I scuffed it up. So we'll see. They said that was supposed to be pretty good. The Rust-Oleum. Professional said to use that, so that's what I did. So. Yeah, and then inside here, I taped it, kind of went up underneath there, there. No thanks. So, yeah. I got 2 good coats on this. Yeah, so I moved the pressure up to 50, and then I was only about, 8 inches away or so. If you see in the video, 8-10 inches. You can go back and kind of check it out. But yeah, I did 50. I moved it up from 40 psi, and then I went ahead and did 50. See, the texture was a little better. So that's it. That's finally done. Again, like I said, I use this compressor. That works good. Works well. And what I did is before I started, I would just blow some air through there if there was moisture. Just kind of blow it before you hook the bottle up. Just blow, get some air going through there. You can see some of the moisture come out when it clears up. Then I would put the bottle on there. And so I'm hoping that was all the moisture was in there. Seemed to do really well though. Came out good, so. Check over on this side. Yeah. Of course, looks just like the other side, so. Alrighty, so thanks for watching, subscribing. Alright, bye now.